Cannot believe I'm saying this, but it is finally the time when I move into a new apartment. This weekend is gonna be filled with packing, wrapping up things, and moving into a new space. It is Saturday today, and I have already started packing a lot of things. As you already saw in the previous video, that my mom is also here to help me. So tomorrow, which is Sunday, is when we actually plan on moving. The movers are going to be here as well to help us. Honestly, this is not a new process for me at all, because after coming to the US, I have moved 4 times or 5 times already. So this is not something which is new, but the different thing is that this was the first apartment I had to my own self, and everything that I created and got into this apartment was with a lot of affection and a lot of feeling attached to it. So it is definitely a different process, even though this time I'm moving closer to the city, closer to my workplace. It's a bigger apartment, but still leaving this apartment that I built with so much love and affection and feeling is really difficult. And honestly, I never thought that I would be leaving this apartment so soon. At this point, I think it's really important to move and call it a new chapter of life. I'm really excited to film as much as I can in this next 2 days, take you guys along with me. So without further delay, let's get into the video. I also need to get these few glasses and the ceramic crockery set into a box because they are like really delicate. I want to make sure I pack them very properly so that it doesn't break in the transit. Almost the last thing in the kitchen, and gonna be packing this right away now. I have the box over here, and there are some papers here which I need for packing because everything over here is of glass, so want to make sure that I'm covering everything properly while packing.
Many unbearable hours later.
Right now the plan is that I am going to the new apartment because we are going to collect the new apartment keys. I decided to fill up the entire car space, as you can see, because we were already going there, and because we also have few delicate stuff like the coffee machine, the fan, and also some other important things which needs to be handled with extra care. So it was a good option to fill up the car as much as possible and drop these things in the apartment today itself. While I'm talking, my voice is gonna echo a lot because we don't have any furniture or anything as of now, so bear with it. But let me give you a quick empty apartment tour. As soon as you enter, that's the shoe closet right over there, and that's the door for maintenance, so it doesn't really open up. On my left is this kitchen. It's kind of an open kitchen over here, and there is an island as well. After which, that's the living space. As of now, we don't have any furniture because everything's gonna move in tomorrow, and that's where we just did a little puja after entering the apartment. After which, over here to my left is the bedroom. The bedroom kind of has the carpet, and that's where the closet is. I'll quickly open and show it to you all. So that's where the closet is. Everything is empty, nothing is here right now, but everything's gonna fill up really soon. Moving on, next over here we have the washer and the dryer, and then to my right is where we have The washroom, the real good part about this washroom is that it has two basins, so definitely a plus. Then that's how the shower area looks like, and we do have tons and tons of storage space here as well, which is really cool. And yeah, that brings me to the end of the empty apartment tour. And honestly, right now, it does feel a little overwhelming because haven't moved completely into this space, because oftentimes it's not very easy to just kind of come into the new space and settle in. It's a process. Honestly, it did take me a while even when I moved into my last apartment, but then I was easily able to convert that into a cozy, comfortable space, which was safe and which I really looked forward to being at after a long work day. Honestly, right now, I'm not sure. I know things will work out the way they should, but yeah, it's just a matter of time. Also, before I forget, the real good part about this apartment is that it is a new apartment, which means that literally nobody stayed in this apartment, and I am gonna be the first person to stay in this apartment. So everything that you see around, like the appliances and the apartment, of course, is like unused, and I'm gonna be the first person living over here.
The next day.
It's the next day morning, which means it's Sunday, and which also means it's the official moving day today. It's around 7:50 a.m. in the morning right now. I got up at like 6:30 today on a Sunday because of course there was some pre-work also which has to be done before the movers actually get in. Last literal morning in this apartment, and it's kind of all sinking in right now. So that's how the bedroom is now looking. It's kind of so weird because the bed has gone, the dresser will be going on soon, the mirror will also be taken away, and this already feels so empty. So that's how the final boxes looks like. The boxes with extra care has like a star, and that's how it looks like. 'So got back in the new apartment right now, emptied everything which was there in the old apartment, like the movers were doing that since the morning, and right now they are unloading everything from the big giant truck into the new apartment.
2 hours later.
Okay, so now that's literally how the new apartment looks like, completely filled with boxes and bags and few unfinished things there, but we'll soon do that. But yeah, overall, it was a very productive morning. Trust me, moving apartments or moving to a new place is no joke at all. It takes a village of efforts to get this together, and yeah, I'm just glad that I was able to pull off everything with, of course, a lot of additional help during this weekend, and it just worked out the way it should be. Super tired, so damn exhausted, and all I can think about right now is tons of sleep. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and also coming along in the process. If you did, then you already know the drill. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel because that always means a lot. As always, stay happy, be kind, and keep spreading love. And now I'll see you in the next one. Bye.